Hey guys, really excited to be showing you two things today. It's one of my passions to help the community build better chatbots, building their business, growing their business through conversational marketing. So there are two things I want to do in that regard today. First of all, I'm going to release 5 templates that were previously only exclusive to Template Club members. And the reason for this is I want to enable this to the entire community so they can basically build better chatbots. So if I can help you build better structured chatbots, I'm going to do so with these 5 templates, which I will show you in just a few minutes. And the second one is I'm also going to give you a sneak peek at the new checkout system that is going live within just 1 or 2 weeks, and is going to open up for beta testing as well. So if you want in, comment down below beta, and I will send you a PM and I will get you as soon as possible into that beta testing as well as an early adopter. So that being said, soon as you receive the link, and the link will be down in the comment section below this video, you can go to Messenger and you will get this link. You will get this message and you will get this link. Go and grab it. So soon as you do that, you will get to this landing page. And this landing page is also the new checkout system, which I will explain shortly. But first, the 5 templates I want to give you access to help you build better and more structured chatbots. So the first template will be the quiz template. And if we take a look, the quiz template brings an interactive element towards your chatbot that will increase engagement with your subscribers. But there is another element to this, because you can also use a reward system behind the quiz. So if they reach a certain score, you can give them certain rewards, like a 10% coupon discount, or a BOGO deal, or anything else you would like to. This will not only increase engagement with your subscribers or with your customers, but also increase your sales in the same process. So a quiz template is the perfect way to get more engagement, have a little bit of fun, have a little bit of a fun interaction with your subscribers, with your customers, and at the same time reward them. That will increase your sales as well. So the second one is the ActiveCampaign API template. So if you use ActiveCampaign for your email marketing, so as an ESP, email service provider, this template is really powerful because it contains all the API calls that you can do right directly from your chatbot, and without using Integromat or Zapier. So it will save you a lot of money as well. So you can, for example, connect to your ActiveCampaign account. You can create, add, or update your contacts. You can also start automations. So the automations you have set up inside of ActiveCampaign, for example, by adding a tag to a subscriber to your contact in ActiveCampaign, or for example changing the custom field or value of to a certain specific standard that will trigger an automation that way. So using this template for ActiveCampaign is really powerful as well. Then the next part is the Chatbot starter package, and for everybody who has followed my structured chatbot workshop, this is a really powerful one as well, because it allows you to set up the main foundation for your chatbot, but also make use of what I call the content loop. It's something I use in all my own chatbot builds and that of my clients, and it gives a so incredible easy way to build structured chatbots. So this is one of the most installed templates actually from the Template Club members as well. Then we have the email marketing funnel, and the email marketing funnel has been designed as a flow, as a complete funnel for sending emails through your chatbot. So by using the SMTP, you will be able to use this funnel as well. So you can connect to Gmail, you can connect to Hotmail, Amazon, Soho, basically any email provider you have, as long as they have an SMTP connection, and then you can use this funnel to send emails directly from your chatbot soon as you have gathered that email, right? And that email opt-in. And then lastly, we have the lead magnet template. Every business needs more leads, needs some kind of lead generation, and this lead magnet template already has the complete mainframe for you set up. So you don't have to spend hours building one. You can just swap out the content, swap out the lead magnet with that of your own, and you can put it live within just minutes. And all these 5 templates are designed to be able to allow you to build chatbots more efficiently, while also saving you a lot of time designing them otherwise. So the entire framework is already set up. And for example, you could even combine the lead magnet template with the email marketing funnel, just because soon as you have received the email opt-in through the lead magnet template, you will be able to send the emails, right? So these are the 5 templates I want to enable the community to be able to access this. As you can see the pricing for yourself. There's no need for me to name each one. These are early bird pricings, by the way. So you see a countdown timer. It's counting down till Sunday at midnight, and then the early bird pricing will expire. And from there, we are going to increase the pricing with $10 for each template. So each template will get an increase of $10. But that's not even the cool part, right? So although these are early bird pricings, I also want to show you this checkout system, because it's basically all in webview. You can connect it to any kind of chatbot you want to. And if we take a look, if we want to select this template, you will see the summary down below. So this template will cost $15. If we purchase in bundle, however, you will see that you will get a 10% discount, and that will equal to the total amount. But you will also see something cool, that it's going to be reflected for each template. So each template will get that 10% discount. As you can see here, if you buy 3 templates up to 4 templates, you will get a 15% discount, and you will see the total amount here. And if you buy all 5, so as a package bundle, it will cost $52.50, whereas normally it would have cost you $70. So you will get a 25% discount, and that equals to $17.50. Again, Template Club members already have access to this, but these are the 5 most popular and most installed templates by the Template Club members, which also shows how often people are using this for their chatbot builds, and how to increase not only their efficiency, more structure, but also increase the sales and conversions that way, because these are really popular ones. And you can see the nice looking display here, right? And the great thing is we can do really minimal things with the checkout system itself. So just show the template name or the product name. But if you press the eyeball, you will get the nice description with the image as well. So this is really powerful, guys, because it is not depending on just one chatbot platform anymore. Basically, any chatbot platform that enables this, that enables WebView, can get access to this checkout system. So incredible, powerful. If we are going to check out, and that's also a cool feature. Currently, we only have Stripe supported, but you will also see the percentage discount in the checkout system with Stripe. So we are dynamically going to show these product items. So if it was just 15%, if you have bought 3 or 4, it will show the 15% discount instead, or the 10% discount if you buy 2. So let us check out real quick to show you how that looks like and how you get access to those templates. Because there is a really cool feature for this as well. So let's say, there we go. Because before being redirected back to the chatbot, there is going to be one more thing, and that's this overview. Boom, you get an overview for 5 seconds of what you've paid for and what your discount was. And then you're going back to Messenger, and you will see this message. Thank you for your order. We are preparing the links to download your templates. Will be here in just a few seconds. And then these are dynamically created, guys. So it's dynamic content which is based on your purchase. So if you have purchased just 2 templates, it would state 10% and you will only get access to those 2 templates. But as you can see, a nice gallery view to allow easy access to download each template. Just press it and you can just download this template. And as you can see, lead magnet. If we go back and we want to download the Chatbot starter package, just press it and you will be able to download it. So how cool is this that you are now able to get these templates not only on early bird pricing, but also see a quick sneak peek basically of the new checkout system as well. So if you want those checkouts, if you want to be a beta tester for this checkout system, comment beta down below and I will get back to you as soon as possible. And if you want those templates, there will be a link below this video as well to get those templates before the early bird pricing runs out at Sunday at midnight. Have a good weekend, take care, stay safe, and we will talk soon.